Hi guys, I am Jessica with Living Well Realty, and today I am in Lexington and Frisco, Texas to check up on this new build. This home is now complete and we are set to close this week. So this will be my last video on this home. But yeah, y'all come with me and let's go inside and take a look at the finished product. Okay, so we have sod and landscaping. There are some workers here just finishing up some little painting and stuff like that. So, all right, here we go. So this is this is a Landon product, and it is their Duet Series Plan D 417. So it's a 2-story, 5 bedrooms, sorry. And there are 2 bedrooms up front. So the front of the house here is one of the secondary bedrooms. All the bedrooms are wired for fans if they do not come with one. So this bedroom could be used as a guest bedroom or a nursery if you have little babies and you want to keep them close to downstairs into the master or guest bedroom. So right here we have a full bath. So no tub, but there is a stand-up shower. You got some extra cabinets above the toilet there. So right here is your utility room. Obviously you can see the hookups for the washer and dryer. So you got a shelf with a hanging rod. All right, so let's go across the hall. This is where the primary bedroom is. So it's at the front of the house as well. And this one does have a ceiling fan. Primary bathroom, so we're gonna have one vanity with double sinks. His and her sink, lots of cabinet space. The cabinets are gray, you got some white counters. The hardware is like a satin nickel, very pretty, very modern. Pretty high ceilings, you got some windows up there bringing in natural light. So again, no tub, but there is a huge shower with a pretty big bench there. And right here you have your walk-in closet. Some built-in shelves. In this door you have your water closet. And right here is another linen closet for your towels. So lots of natural light coming in. The hardwood woods are a very pretty light kind of oak color. Okay, so moseying down the hall here. There is the family room. It looks really good. Again, very high ceilings, so lots of natural light. And it opens up to the kitchen. It's so pretty. Love that railing up there. So the cabinets are a gray color, and again, you have a satin nickel hardware. That's where the refrigerator will go. It does not come with the house, sorry. So you got your pantry, lots of cabinet space. So a lot of homes do not come with actually hardware on the cabinets or drawers, but these do, so that's nice, very nice. Pretty backsplash. Love the colors of the counters. You got your gas cooktop and these drawers. It's a soft close drawer, so that's nice. This right here is going to be the eat-in kitchen area. So it overlooks the covered patio. And that is a sliding glass door. It is pretty big. So I love this island. It's a fairly big island. You can put some bar stools underneath there, and it overlooks the family room. Very nice. So behind this door, you're gonna have your 2-car garage. So you'll walk in from the garage and be greeted into your kitchen and family room. So pretty. Okay, so let's mosey upstairs. Up here, we're gonna have 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, a game room, and a media room. Again, I love the stairwells, the stair railing. Okay, so got your game room. So back here is another secondary bedroom. This one has its own full bath. All right, here's the closet. And then this one does have a tub shower combo. So lots of natural light. You have all these windows up high on the structure of the house. So here is the game room, and it overlooks the family room. Okay, and then behind these double doors, this is the media room. So this room does have a window to bring in light. You know, if you don't want it completely dark, obviously you'll put shutters or blinds or something on there. So it could be also a workout room, an office, whatever you want to, however you want to use it. And this room does come with light dimmers. So that's a cool feature. I like that. I just had to input, I didn't have to, but I wanted to in my house put in dimmers, and I had to go and do that for every room. So it's nice that this one already comes with one. Okay, so here is a full bath. So the 2 bedrooms up here upstairs is going to share this bathroom. So that's why there's 2 sinks. So you have 1 vanity and double sinks. And then a tub shower combo in this one as well. So no tubs downstairs, but there are 2 upstairs. Okay, so now we're at the back to the front of the house. So we have 2 bedrooms on this side. Again, lots of windows and natural light. And their closet. And then across the hall here is the last bedroom. So yeah, guys, this house is complete. Again, just some minor touch-ups that they are working on, but as you can see, it is complete. Okay guys, so that is a wrap. Like I said, this home is complete, so this is the final video. If you are interested in Lexington, please reach out. There are some opportunities and we could chat about that. If you are looking to buy or build in and around the Frisco, Texas area, I would love to help you with that as well. So please feel free to reach out. And until then, you guys, y'all take care. Bye-bye.